welcome again to GBS Academy. My name is Teacher Philip. Today we are also going to learn Chinese. GBS Academy is the only TV station which brings you different languages from Chinese, French, and Korean also. But today I welcome you for a new topic. Today we are going to learn about numbers. So in our last topic we went through numbers. We were able to introduce a few basic numbers, and we were talking about age and also discussing about how to talk about how old are you people of different age. So age goes hand in hand with numbers, talking about numbers. So that's why today we are talking about numbers. So join me for this lesson as we talk about our topic today, numbers. So I have not indicated, but the numbers in Chinese called shuzi. So shuzi are numbers. Then I'll be able to take you through from number 1 to 30. Then from here I'll skip to 99 to 100, 200, 300, 1000, then to 10,000. So as we start the introduction, but later on we'll be able to cover more on numbers. So let's start from number 1. Number 1, E. So you can repeat after me wherever you are. E. So E is number 1. So with first tone, E, number 1. Then the character is like just one dash. Then number 2, we have R. So this is number 2. But number 2, when we are reading and when we are counting, we have to use two different words or different terms to mean number 2. So when we are counting, we are going to use liang. So we have another term when we are counting number of staffs. I have three phones. So I'm going to talk about when I'm saying so because I'm counting 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to use R. I'm going to use liang. But R, we use it when we are reading. I have 2 books. I bought 2 books. 我买了2本书. I have 2 books. 2本书. I can never say R 本书. We use 2 because I am counting. So R, 2. So all the 2, both of them, they means 2, but one is used when we are reading, but the other one is used when we are counting. So then number 3 is sun. So sun means number 3. Number 3 means sun. Number 4, si. Most of the Chinese people, they don't like number 4 because to them, they think number 4 sounds like the sound or the syllable for death. Si also means death. So most of them, they don't like number 4 because they think that it associates themselves with death, or because of the sound. It sounds the same with death in Chinese. So si. So this one means number 4. Then we have number 5, wu. Wu means number 5. So number 5 means wu, where it does wu. So this is number 5. Then number 6 is liu. Liu means number 6. Number 6 is liu, written in character liu, number 6. Then we have also number 7, chi. So chi means number 7. Number 7, chi. Then number 8, ba. Ba means number 8. Then we have number 9. Jiao. Jiao means number 9. Then from there, you have number 10. Number 10, she means number 10. It has, remember, it has second tone, the ascending tone. She means number 10. Then from number 11, we have, because number 11 sound, it is 10, 1. So 10, then we add 1. So when we are reading, we say 10, then 1. For example, 10 is she. She means 10. So when you are talking about number 11, is 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1. So how we read in Chinese reading numbers is so easy, because you just combine 10 then 1. So it becomes she, he, which is 10, she, then he, which is 1. So she means 11, 10, then 1. So the same concept applies when we are talking about number 12. Because we are reading number 12, she, so let's say this is Roman 1. Number 12 is 10 and 2. So 10 is she plus 2 is R. So number 12, she, R. She, R means number 12. She, R. 10, then 2. When you are talking about number 15, so it is the same. Ten, then 5. So she means 10 plus wu, which means 5. So it becomes she, wu. She, wu. Again, what do? She, wu. So she, wu means 15. She, wu means 15. Then we have 20, we have 19. Okay, on my order, I have 19. So 19 also, 10, then 9. She, yo, so 10, then 9. So that's 19. She, yo. Then for 20, we have R. So 20 is a little bit different here. From number 20, we are going to talk about, so 20, going to say 2, then 10. 2, then 10. So becomes R plus she, which is R, she. So R, she, which is 2, then 10. 2, then 10. R, she, 2, then 10. Then number 21, R, because we have 2, then 10, then 1. So it becomes R, she, he, R, she, he, R, she, he. So which is 2, 10, 1. So this is how you want to say 21. 21. So R, she, he, 21. Then you have to say, you want to say 22 is also the same. 22 becomes R, which is 2. Then we have 10. We have she, which is 10 plus R, which is 2. So R, she, R. R, she, R. So this one is going to apply to all numbers from 20 to 99. So when all numbers you are going to count from 20 to 99, R, she. So we are going to use the same criteria to come up with those numbers. Then we have, when you talk about 30, is also the same. 3, then 10. So 3 is son, sorry, son, then 10 is she, so becomes son, she. So son, she, which is 30. Then 99, we have 9 also. 9, then 10. 9 is Geo. Then we have 10. Which is she. Then Geo, which is 9. So 9, 10, 9. Geo, she, Geo. Geo, she, Geo, meaning 99. Geo, she, Geo. Geo, she, Geo, 99. Then from 99, let's move forward, and we're going to meet just after 99. We have 100. So 100 has a little bit different name. So So 100 is called he, by. He, by. So as we learned earlier, he means 1. He means 1. Then by means 100. By means 100. So he, by means 100. 100. He, by. He, by. So the same is going to apply when you talk about 200, 300, 400, 500, up to 99. So we are going to use by because it involves hundreds to zeros. So in the same case, when you meet 200, because we are counting 100, 200, we are going to use liang. Remember, we are going to use liang. Liang by means 200. Liang by means 200. Then when you are talking about, why am I using liang, not R? Because we are counting. Remember that we are counting. That's why I'm using liang by. So for example, we want to talk about, I received 200 shillings from a friend, or my friend gave me 200 shillings. Wo pangyo ge wo liang bai kwai. So liang bai, ge wo liang bai, sung ge wo liang bai. So liang bai means 200. So you can never say R bai. So we say liang bai because it's counting. Then when you're talking about 300, it is also 3, then 100. So san means 3, as we learned here. San means 3, then 100. San by means 300. San by means 300. So when you're talking about these numbers up to 100, that's how you're going to talk about them. Then we have, from there we can move to 1,000. 1,000, Yi Qian. So Yi Qian. So Qian alone means 1,000. Qian alone means means 1,000. But when you say he, this one means 1. So Yi Qian means 1,000. 1,000. When you talk about 2,000, you are going to add here 2. Liang Qian. When talking about 3,000, San Qian. Talking about 3,000. When talking about 4,000, Si Qian. So this is how you are going to talk about it. 10,000, Yuan. Yuan. So 1 is like 10,000. So when talking about 20,000, you're going to say San Wan. San Wan, which is 3, then 10,000. 10,000 by 3. Talking about 40,000, S, then 1, meaning 40,000. So thank you so much for being with me for this lesson. We are talking about numbers. In our next lesson, we'll be able to proceed more, then talk about much higher numbers. So for introduction, this for our lesson today. Every time, join me for GBS Academy, Chinese Academy, for a platform for us to learn Chinese language in a very systematic and at the comfort of your home. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you in the next, during the next lesson. Thank you.